Welcome back to the Mind Palace. Last time, we explored the cerebral halls where conscious thought rules. But today, we descend deeper into the hidden network where life sustains itself, even in silence. This is the autonomic nervous system, the invisible guardian that keeps the heart beating, lungs breathing, and digestion running, all without your command.
The ANS rules through two ancient forces, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic divisions. The sympathetic division is the body's alarm system, fast, fiery, and fierce. When danger strikes, it commands the fight or flight response. Heart rate rises, airways open, and the blood surges to muscles ready for action. Meanwhile, the parasympathetic division is the calm healer, restoring balance after the storm. It governs rest and digest, slowing the heart rate, stimulating digestion, and conserving energy. Even when one takes command, the other never disappears. They maintain a dual tone, constantly adjusting, like two musicians tuning the rhythm of life.
Unlike somatic motor neurons that take a direct path, the ANS works through a relay system, two neurons linking the brain and the target organ. First, the preganglionic neuron begins in the brainstem or spinal cord and travels to a cluster called a ganglion. There it meets the postganglionic neuron, which carries the message the rest of the way to the heart, smooth muscle, or glands. Together, they form a communication chain, precise, adaptable, and autonomic.
Travel to the thoracolumbar region and you'll find the sympathetic chain ganglia running beside the spine, the glittering line of command centers. Here, signals spread like wildfire, branching through white and gray rami to every corner of the body. Some pathways form splanchnic nerves reaching deep into the abdomen, while others rise towards the head and the heart. When activated, these fibers flood the body with norepinephrine and epinephrine, preparing for combat, widening pupils, quickening breath, and focusing energy where it's needed the most.
Shift to the craniosacral division and the scene changes. Here, long preganglionic fibers extend calmly from the brainstem and sacrospinal cord through the cranial nerves like the vagus, the great traveler. The vagus wanders through the chest and abdomen, soothing the heart, lungs, and digestive tract. Its neurotransmitter, acetylcholine, whispers serenity into every receptor it touches, reminding the body it's safe to rest.
The ANS speaks the language of neurotransmitters and receptors. Acetylcholine signals calm. It's the voice of both divisions, but especially the parasympathetic. Norepinephrine signals intensity, the hallmark of the sympathetic action. Whether an organ speeds up or slows down depends on which receptor hears the message. Even the same chemical can excite one target and inhibit another. It's not chaos, it's precision.
Every heartbeat, every breath is a negotiation. When both divisions send signals to one organ, called dual innervation, they can oppose each other, like the brakes and accelerator of a car, or cooperate to achieve harmony. The sympathetic system raises heart rate while the parasympathetic slows it. One constricts the pupil while the other relaxes it. Together, they ensure perfect control. Even without dual innervation, one system alone can manage blood pressure through vasomotor tone. Tightening or relaxing blood vessels is needed.
Though automatic, the ANS takes its orders from higher command, the hypothalamus, medulla, and spinal cord. The hypothalamus acts as the supreme controller, linking emotion and physiology, letting fear quicken the pulse or calm lower its pace. Even the limbic system joins in, tying feelings to physical states. Laughter, love, and stress all begins here.
When the hidden network breaks down, the consequences ripple across the body. Disorders like Horner syndrome, orthostatic hypotension, and Raynaud's disease reveal just how vital the ANS truly is. Every imbalance, whether too much stimulation or too little, can alter heart rate, digestion, or temperature control.
So the next time your heart races before a big game or your stomach churns before an exam, remember, it's not chaos. It's your hidden network at work. The autonomic nervous system translating thought into action and emotion into motion. It keeps you alive, balanced, and ready, even when your conscious mind is silent. Welcome to the hidden network, where your body runs itself perfectly.